Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is David Aishi and this is my friend.
Muhammad Fayyaz Chandra.
We are from Technology Information major in BSI University. Right now, we want to set an example of asking for direction and giving direction. Hello, sir. May I ask you, where is the Margo City Mall?
Oh, you can go right ahead, and you will be see a building with the name Marco Hotel, and behind that place you will be see the building.
I see. Okay, sir. Thank you for the info.
Okay, welcome. Excuse me, sir. May I asking you?
Sure.
Where's the place of BSI Margunda Campus be?
You go right from here.
Okay.
In one of there is campus, not to Sanagiri. Now the location is right next to the campus.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dafa Hadatul Aishi from Major Technology Information, and my ID is 70240645. Welcome in this presentation. We will explore adverbial clause of time. We will learn how to use them to express when action happen. What is an adverbial clause of time? Adverbial clause of time are like timestamp in sentence. They tell us when an action started, ended, or occurred simultaneously with another. An adverbial clause of time is a group of words that function as an adverb and tell us when something happens. It has a subject and a verb, and it's connected to the main clause of sentence by subordinating conjunction. This time, connector acts as a bridge between two clauses, showing the relationship between the action. There is a list of common time connectors. The first one is when, second is before, third after, and next is while, as soon as, until, and since. First one, when. We use when to show two actions happening at the same time or sequence. Example, when I was finished my homework, I will play games. The second example is when the phone rang, I answered it. Next is before and after. We use before for action that happen first and after for action that happen later. Example, before I go to bed, I brush my teeth. After I finish eating, I wash the dishes. Next is while. We use while to show two actions happening at the same time. Example, while I was cooking, the phone rang. Or while she was reading, she fell asleep. Next is as soon as. We use as soon as to show that one action happened right after another. Example is as soon as the pen took off, I felt relief. The second example is as soon as I heard the news, I called my friend. Next, until and since. We use until to show a limit and since to show a starting point. Example for until. I will wait here until you come back. And the example for since is I have lived in this city since 2010. Placement of adverbial clause. This clause can appear in different positions within a sentence. For example, you can say, when the rain started, we went inside, or you can say, we went inside when the rain started. Notice how the meaning stays the same, but the emphasis shifts slightly. This version provides the example demonstrating how placement can subtly change the emphasis while still maintaining brevity. The conclusion is adverbial clause of time are infallible tools in the English language. By understanding and effectively using them, we can express our thoughts and ideas more clearly, accurately, and diversely. The ability to indicate when an event occurs is a crucial skill both in everyday conversation and formal writing. Additionally, understanding adverbial clause helps us compare text better, especially those relate to narratives or sequence of events. Thank you for listening this presentation. My name is Dava. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.